Hi everyone, welcome back to another database session. This session we can talk about how to write Python data frame into an Excel file. This is actually a question from one of the subscriber after she saw the video of reading the data from the Excel file. So this will be very quick video and very easy, but keep in mind that Databricks not providing sophisticated method to write the data. So we have to use Python data frame. And if you're using Python data frame, the problem is the data move from the clusters to the driver. So make sure that your data is not very high. Mostly we can move only the aggregated records, right? Okay, so to demo this, I'm using one existing data which is in delta format, and this is the path, and I'm going to use the data customer. So you can see that these are the data, the columns available in the delta table: customer ID, first name, middle name, etc. I read the data and store this data into the data frame. Now we can write this data frame into the Excel, right? So before doing that, make sure that you have installed Excel Writer. And if it is only for this notebook, you can install it like this. Or if multiple notebooks, multiple users are using this, then go to the caster, then install the library there, right? Okay. Now, as I said before, we have to convert this Databricks frame into Pyspark frame into pandas using two pandas. You can see that there is not much difference other than moving the data into the server. Everything format, everything is same, right? Now, this is the this is the function you have to use while writing the data into Excel file, right? The pandas df that we just created, to underscore Excel, provide the temporary path, and engine is XLS writer. You can give any options, like for example, if you want to give the header equal to true, you can provide there. And since it is a community edition, by default it will store that into the cluster file, local cluster. Okay, so we have to move these local cluster files into our storage path, right? So how do you find out the local cluster? You need to use import os method, then os.list directory inside this folder, right? So you can see the customer.xlx came here. Now you can move this from the local file system into the storage, the mounted storage, dbos storage. So this is how you can write the file. And those who are wondering how to read this file, I'm just giving you the previous video in the description. Please go and watch it. And if you have any question, please comment below. If it is Azure storage, then you can directly go to the Azure Data Explorer, then download the file. Alright, this is very quick video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you with different topics next time. Bye. If you would like to receive more such videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to connect with me, I have provided my details here, my email and LinkedIn. So thank you very much.